everyone. I'm Koala Teacher from 원바이원 English Academy, here to help with your homework. It's going to be fun. You'll see. If we go too fast, don't worry. Just hit pause. Take your time and catch up. It's all because if you hold on tight, we'll learn and grow. With every step, the more you'll know. Are you ready? Let's go! Today, we'll be reviewing Unit 3, Places. We learned how to ask where places are. We also learned the names of places for things, like music room, nurse's office. We also learned different positions. For example, in front of, 앞에, next to, 옆에, across from, 건너편에, and between, 사이에. We also learned how to say where someone is going and how they're getting there. For example, where is the library? The library is across my school. How are you getting there? By bus. Are you ready to get started? Let's go! On page 20, we're going to read and number. That means we'll read the sentences and put them in the correct order. For example, we see that Scott is talking to someone. 이렇게 하니까 maybe 질문을 하는 건가? Let's look. We have, okay, here's the nurse's office. Excuse me, where's the nurse's office? Thanks for your help. It's next to the gym. Follow me. You're welcome. 대화를 생각하면 처음에는 질문을 물어봐야죠. So Scott is asking, excuse me, where's the nurse's office? So that will be number 1. 어떤 문장이 답변일까요? Excuse me, where's the nurse's office? Okay, 는 아니잖아요. Here's the nurse's office. Here가 어디지? 여기 어디지? Thanks for your help. 에? It's next to the gym. Follow me. 정확히 어딘지 알려줬잖아요. So that's our second one. Now, what comes after that? Excuse me, where's the nurse's office? It's next to the gym. Follow me. So what would Scott say? Would he say, okay, here's the nurse's office. Thanks for your help. You're welcome. Follow me라고 했으니까 Scott would probably say, okay. So okay will be number 3. 그러면 이제 nurse's office에 도착했어. What would the person say? Here's the nurse's office. Then what would Scott say? 와, 도와주셔서 감사합니다. Thanks for your help. And 마지막, you're welcome. Great job. In part B, we are going to write. Look at the picture for our hint and see where would this be. In the first picture, we see a paintbrush. That would be in the art room. So let's cross out art room. In the picture on the right, it's a violin. Will that be in the music room, classroom, lunchroom, gym, or the office? Great, in the music room. Let's write. Next, we have a book. Will that be in a classroom, a lunchroom, or a gym, or an office? Good, it would be in a classroom. On the bottom, we have a picture of a basketball. Where do we play basketball? In the lunchroom, in the gym, or in the office? Great, in the gym. Next, we have some food. There's a sandwich and milk. There's a sandwich and some milk. Where do we eat this? In the lunchroom. And last, we have a phone and a stapler. This would be in an office. Check your answers and we'll go to the next page. On page 21, the directions say to write. we're going to use the words in the box to help us write where this person is. In number 1, we see that there is a person, a tree. 바로 옆에 있어요. Are we going to use next to, across from? Are we going to use next to, across from, or between? Great! He is next to the tree. In number 2, we see 2 trees and the boy. The boy is 사이에 있어요. 중간에 있으면 between. And last, the boy is across from the tree. Great job. Let's keep going. In part D, the directions say to look and write. In number 1, the question is, where's the library? 도서관이 어디에 있어요? It's next to the art room. 아트룸의 바로 옆이에요. In number 2, where's the classroom? classroom이 여기에 있으면 the office is right here. Good. It's across from the office. And number 3, where's the lunchroom? Oh, it's right here. 중간에 있으니까 it's between the 뭐뭐의 사이에 있죠? It's between the gym and the office. And our last question, where's the music room? Well, here's the music room. 바로 옆에. It's next to the classroom. Great job! Check your answers and we'll go to the next page. On page 22, the directions say to look and match. We're going to look at where they are and match it to the name of the place. For example, in number 1, we can see an airplane and he has his carrier or his suitcase. Where is he? Is he at the bakery, factory, clinic, repair shop, airport, or the store? Good! At the airport. In number 2, we can see there's some smoke in the back. They must be making something. Where is a place you can go to make things? Good, at a factory. And number 3, we can see that she's going somewhere to buy food, cakes, fruits, everything. Where is she going? To a store. Great job. In number 4, where can you go to fix your car? Great, a repair shop. Remember, repair means to fix. In number 5, yum. There's many yummy things here. This is a bakery. And last, you go here to feel all better. A clinic. Good job. In part B, we're going to look, match, and write. In number 1, the question says, where is he going? 이 남자는 어디로 가는 건가요? Oh, he's going to the bakery. In number 2, where is she going? Well, we see her here. We see a computer. She's going to the office. And number 3, where is he going? He's going to the store. Great job. Check your answers and we'll go to the next page. On page 23, we're going to write and circle. For example, in number 1, we have to ask, where is he going? Well, we see here at the answer it says the store. 그러면 store 그림을 찾아야 돼요. Right here. He's going to the store. Great job. In number 2, we need to write the question. 여잔지 남잔지 먼저 보고 then we'll decide if we need to use he or she. 이 사람은 어디로 가요? Where is she going? Let's write. 베이커리로 가고 있네요. What can we find at bakeries? Good, we can find bread, cake, cupcakes, cookies, lots of desserts. So we'll circle this picture. She's going to the bakery. And number 3, where is he going? We see it says the repair shop. Remember, repair means to fix. Oh, it's this picture right here. He's going to the repair shop. And our last one, where is she going? It says the factory. So, this is the picture of going to the factory. She's going to the factory. In part D, we're going to do number 1 together. The question says, are they going to the park? Does that look like a park? Nope. So we will check, no, they aren't. Number 2, 3, and 4 똑같이 하면 돼요. Read the question, look at the picture, and then check yes or no. Ready to check your answers? In number 2, is he going to the store? Yes, he is. Number 3, is she going to the clinic? No, she isn't. Number 4, are they going to the office? No, they aren't. Check your answers and we'll go to the next page. On page 24, you will do part A and B by yourself. In part A, you need to look at the picture and circle how are they traveling. By train, by bus, by car, by taxi, by bike, on foot. Look at the picture and circle the answer. In part B, you're going to connect and write. For example, in number 1, the question asks, how's she going to school? 이 친구는 학교로 어떻게 가요? Let's follow the line. And we see a car. She's going by car. For numbers 2, 3, and 4, I would like you to do it on your own. You can do it. On page 25, we are going to look and write. In number 1, the question says, where's she going? She's going to the store. How's she going there? store로 가고 있는데 어떻게 가요? She's going by bus. And number 2, where's he going? 학교인 것 같은데? He's going to school. How's he going there? He's going by bike. And number 3, where's he going? 차가 고장났나 봐. He's going to the repair shop. How's he going there? He's going by car. And number 4, where's she going? She's going to the clinic. How's she going there? She's going by taxi. And number 5, where's he going? He's going to the office. How's he going there? Choo choo. He's going by train. And number 6, where's she going? Yum. She's going to the bakery. How's she going there? She's going on foot. Double check your answers and we'll go to the next page. On page 26, we're going to match the different sounds of phonics. In number 1, we have CL that makes a cl, cl sound. In number 2, we have a F and an L, fl, fl. In number 3, we have an S and L, sl, sl. We need to match the sounds to the pictures and then the pictures to the word. For example, in number 1, we have cl, cl. Which picture starts with CL, cl? Good, right here, clock. Which word is clock? Slow, class, flower, clock, sleep, fly. Good, right here, clock. In part B, we're going to write down all the CL, FL, and the SL words. If you see, clock is already here. 혼자 할 수 있죠? You can do it. Let's go to the last page. On page 27, we're going to read. Today's story is called Going Places. In the first picture, it says, Where's Marta going? 마르타는 어디 가고 있나? She's going to the park. She's going by bike. 자전거 타고 가고 있어요. Marta likes the pretty flowers. In the second picture, it says, Are Joseph and Marie going to class? Yes, they are. They are going on foot. And the third picture says, Li Peng's going to the store. He's going by train. He wants to buy a new clock. His old clock is slow. Let's answer the questions in part D. Number 1. How's Marta going to the park? 마르타가 파크로 가고 있는데 어떻게 가고 있죠? She's going by bike. Number 2. Where are Joseph and Marie going? They are going to class. And number 3. What does Li Peng want? He wants a new clock. You did an awesome job today. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work. You know what to do. I hope you'll miss me and be ready to play. Koala Teacher will see you in the next video, okay?